Damn, Mizzy Mari got beats. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today for another video. As you've seen by the title, I'm going to be relaxing my hair today, and I just thought I'd record it and show you guys how I'm going to transition from my natural hair to relaxed hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing that and you want to see how my hair turns out, or if I completely fry it, then stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. So this is what my hair looks like before the perm. It's just, and I'll show you the back. This is my natural hair in its natural state, and my hair is actually really healthy. I've been natural for about 2 going on 3 years now, and I made the decision to perm my hair just because we're in quarantine. And I don't know, part of me is kind of over the whole natural hair. Don't get me wrong, I do love my natural hair. Let me say this first. I'm not trying to change myself to look like something that I'm not. I'm not ashamed of my natural hair, or nor do I hate my natural hair. Nothing of the sort. I just want something different. It's a lot of work, a lot of maintenance, a lot of time goes into it, and you know, that's actually the other reason why I decided to relax my hair. It's just that there's a lot of work with natural hair. Like, it's tiring. There's just too much work. And with my relaxed hair, you know, I feel like for me it's easier to manage and easier for me to tame. I know some people hate that I feel that way. You know, some people feel like, you know, once you find the right products for your hair, it gets easier, which is not, you know, the end of the world or anything like that. I'm just kind of frustrated with it, and I want to take a break from the natural hair. I mean, I can always go back natural if I want to, you know, which I probably will eventually, but I just want to go back to my relaxed hair just for a little while, at least for while we're quarantined, just so that my hair is like a little less harder to manage and to deal with, because it is really harder to deal with. Before I went natural for the first time, my hair was like very fine, very thin. It was broken off really bad, but because it was relaxed, it was still easier for me to manage myself and for me to do it. But at the time, my hair had got damaged so bad, I wanted to try to help get rid of all the damage that I had done to my hair over the years. So that was the initial reason why I went natural, and it grew on me. I loved it. I still love it, but I'm just kind of tired of dealing with it right now. So that is the reason for me wanting to go natural. So I know some people are going to be upset with me. My little sister is definitely going to be upset with me, but it's just for a little while. I know I'll venture back into the natural realm eventually, but for now I do want to do a chemical relaxer. So I've rambled enough. Let's go ahead and hop into the video. So this does not come with gel. I meant Vaseline or any kind of protective hair grease for my edges. I think I can use oil. I guess we'll just have to use oil. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections. Okay, so since I don't have Vaseline, I'm just gonna take some oil and put around the perimeter of my head and then on my scalp to protect myself from burning myself with the perm. So the brand that I got is Oars Olive Oil Relaxing System, and it's just the normal strength. And then inside of the kit comes with 1 relaxer and 1 activator. It comes with an exotic oil boost. I guess like this is the stuff that you would put in your hair after you're done with the perm. It comes with a moisture restore creaming shampoo, which I have the big version of that, I think. Yeah, I already had this here. And then it comes with a conditioner and it comes with a hair lotion. So that is the perm that I'm using. Let's go ahead and mix this up. I'm so nervous. I really feel like either I'm gonna really, really like it or I'm gonna really, really regret it when I'm done. So we have this all mixed up. Now it is time to apply it. All right, here we go. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. So that is one section completed, and remember we're doing the hairline last, since it's like not as much hair there. We don't want it to burn, so that's why there's not much on my hairline. But that is one section complete, so I'm just gonna move right on to the next section. So far so good. No burning, no itching, no stinging. Okay guys, so my camera ended up dying on me when I started to do the back of my hair, so I do apologize that I didn't get that part of the clip into the video, but this is what we are looking like right now. So the perm is all in, and then I just went back and did my edges, and you know, obviously tried to be careful not to get it on my skin in the places where I didn't put the oil. So now we just have to let it sit until basically I feel like it's straight enough, but I think you're not supposed to let it sit longer than about 20 minutes. So it's saying the recommended time is about 15 minutes, but basically it's really at your discretion. You just have to keep checking your hair and seeing, you know, how straight it is, or if it's straight enough for you, or obviously if your hair starts to burn or anything like that, you definitely want to make sure you take it out in time. So I'm gonna set a timer on my phone for about, it's already been about 5 minutes, so we'll just do 10 minutes just to be safe, because I don't want to over process my hair. We're just gonna keep checking, and I can already tell it's getting really, really straight. My edges still do look a little bit wavy, but for the most part I can tell that my hair is getting straight. I'm gonna go ahead and get my sink ready for me to rinse this out. See, I have about 8 minutes left, but I don't even think I'll need the full 8 minutes because my hair is already looking pretty straight, which is great. Alright guys, I am back. I apologize if the lighting isn't that great, but I'm in my bathroom right now, and so we're about to get ready to rinse this out. It's been in for about 15 minutes now, and it looks pretty straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and start rinsing that out. So now I'm shampooing my hair, and you really want to work the shampoo in really good, especially like around your hairline, because you want to make sure you get out all the relaxer, because if you don't, or if you miss some, it will continue to process in your hair and you can risk over processing your hair or like burning yourself. So you really want to spend a legit 3 to 5 minutes really lathering and working this in your hair. And I'm gonna do this probably about 2 to 3 times to make sure that I'm really getting all the relaxer out. So my hair is shampooed. Now I'm about to get ready to do the conditioner. There you go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie my hair down with this plastic Walmart bag. And there you have it. If you don't have a plastic cap at home and you're doing something where you need to let your conditioner sit, you can just use a plastic bag from like Dollar General or Walmart or something and it'll do the same thing. So I'm about to let this sit and then I will be right back when it's time to rinse it out. All right, so I just let my conditioner sit for about 20 minutes so it's ready to be rinsed out. Ends of my hair still looking a little bit curly, but it really won't matter because I won't be wearing my hair down or anything like that. But my edges and the rest of my hair is pretty straight. Now we're gonna go ahead and start blow drying my hair. So my hair is dry, and now that it's dry, I can tell like there's some parts in the back of my hair where the perm didn't take really well. But for the most part, it's straight enough for me to be able to manage my hair now moving forward. All right, so that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go off camera and just style my hair really quickly, and then I'll be right back with my final thoughts and opinions.